Okay, today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to you guys. I believe if you're seeing this video, that means you're either Suba or Sharif who have been receiving my signals, and it has been a roller coaster. Make money, lose money, blow your account, smile today, frown face tomorrow. Yeah, one thing I want to let you know is that trading, when it comes to trading, losing losing is inevitable. I'm sorry, my voice won't be high because I'm not actually feeling fine. I'm having this serious malaria typhoid and I've been on injection, so my body is very, very weak with all the stress. So losing is inevitable with Forex. For every successful trader you have seen, they have lost a whole and huge amount of money. I put it to you, go and ask. They have blown thousands of accounts. You know the most painful part when it comes to trading. Now, in a minute, you see yourself in profit, making lots of money, and in the other minute, you see yourself in minus, losing a lot of money. And you looking around, having a lot of bills to pay. You looking around, having a lot of people to take care of. The fear engulfs you, and you keep on asking yourself, will it actually get better trading the financial market? But here is the thing I've understood. Our loss is not because we are bad with our technical analysis. It's not because we are bad with our technical analysis. This, we are good. Our losses is because we are bad in our psychology. Psychology and R stroke R, risk management. And I'm going to talk about it. Let's kick out to risk management. You see, no matter how good you are as a trader, if you don't apply your risk management very well, very soon you're going to lose all the whole money you've made. But before I go into this risk management, I want to let you guys know something today. If you deposited $500 to your account, and out of that $500 you made $50, please always withdraw your profit. Withdraw your profit. Yes, withdraw your profit. Form the habit of withdrawing your profit. Yes, that is number one thing. Form the habit of withdrawing your profit. By the way, what is the essence of you trading? The essence of you trading is to make lots of money. Yes, the essence of you trading is to make lots of money. That is just it. So, in a situation whereby you're not withdrawing your profit, I don't actually know what you're actually doing. So, form the habit of withdrawing your profit. Now, let's talk about risk management. I told you guys something and I sent some videos on the group. I don't know whether you guys watched it. If you watched it, that means you have a passion of learning how to trade. You see, to learn how to trade is not difficult, but to control your minds to do exactly what you're taught is where the problem comes in. Yes, I'm telling you this thing from experience. Because yes, of course, you know when the market is in an uptrend. You know when the market is uptrend, you're buying. You know when the market is on a downtrend. When the market is on a downtrend, you're selling. You know all this, but still yet, you're not making money from the industry. You make money, you lose it. You make money, you lose it. Sometimes you lose more than what you put. So what is actually the problem? The problem is your mind. Your mind, in the sense that your risk management is one thing that is going to kill you or kick you out of the financial institution. If you don't take your risk management serious, especially after watching this video, I don't know what to tell you. One thing you have to do is to avoid pressure, avoid whatever every other person is doing. Avoid trading should be fun. Avoid every other thing someone. Just because someone is risking $100 in a trade and you are risking $10 shouldn't push you to go and risk $100. Remember, if someone that has $2,000 is risking $100 in a trade, if the person loses $100, he still has $1,800. And you have $500 and you go to risk $100. When you lose this money, you just have $400. Now, who is the impact going to feel more between the person that has $2,000 and $400? I know you can hear me. Answer it yourself when you're watching this video. Answer it yourself. With this, you're going to understand what I'm saying. Now, let's do this math. Even if you're a bad trader, but you take your risk management serious, you're still going to be in profit. Yes, you're still going to be in profit. Let's say you took 10 trades. And out of 10 trades, 8 trades out of 10 trades, let's say your winning ratio is, let's do the maths. Let's say your winning ratio is 70-30. Sorry, let's put it this way. 30-70. Which means you took 10 trades. Out of the 100% trades you took, 30% was success and 70% was failure. You hit stop loss 70% of the trade you took. And out of this 30%, that means you took 10 trades. 3 out of 10, because 10 trades, 3 out of 10 trades were success. 70 were loss. Now, let's say we are using 1:3 ratio. 1:3 risk to reward. This 1:3 risk to reward means that if I enter a trade with $10, I'm coming out the trade with $30. If I enter a trade with $5, I'm coming out of the trade with $15. Anything you put in, you're coming out times 3 with it. If I enter a trade with $100, I'm coming out with $300. So remember, out of 10 trades you took, you won just 3 and 7 were lost. So let's make our math. Let's say we are risking $10 on each trade. So you understand that even if you're bad with your technical analysis, but you're very, very good with your risk management, at the end of the day, you will always be in more profits than someone who is very, very good in technical analysis, but bad with risk management. It's all about risk management. Understanding that failure is inevitable and losses are inevitable. All you have to do is analyze and leave the market to do what it has to do. Understanding this makes you take your risk management serious. I'm a victim of this, and why I'm making this video is because I want to put it to a change. I want to start taking my risk management. You don't want in a trade you risk $100. Another trade you're risking $200. Another one you're risking $500. This is gambling you're doing. This is not trading. And very soon you'll be out of the market. Very soon you will lose the whole money you've made back to the market. This is actually gambling. This is not trading. Trading is not gambling. Trading requires lots of discipline, lots of patience, lots of mental strength. So let's do our math. We took 10 trades, and out of 10 trades, we lost. So let's say our first trade we took. Okay, let's say in a let's say we have $500 account. Let's do our maths. Let's do our pure maths now. So our risk to reward is 1:3 RR. 10 trades. Lose 7. Win 3. And let's say our account is let's check our let me do some math. Sorry for the kata. Like I said, I'm not feeling fine. Okay, let's say our account size is $200. Account size is $200. Yes, $200. And let's say out of this $200, we want to stick to risking 5% of $200. Now, first trade we took, we won. 5% of $200 is actually $10. So for each trade, we are risking $10. I hope you're following me. I know you can hear me, but you're not seeing me, but just follow me along. 5% of $200 is $10, which means we told ourselves that, see, we want to be risking 5% of our account for now. You understand? For now, we want to be risking 5% of our account. 5% of $200 is $10. We took the first trade, we risked $10. $10. Now, we lost that trade. First trade, lost. So we are minus $10. So now, our account is on what? $180. We took the second trade, we lost. So we are in minus $10. So our account is currently on $190. We took another third trade, we lost. So our account is on minus $10. So our account is currently on $30, because this is $30 minus $200 is $170. So we have took 3 trades now, and we have lost it. We have lost it all. That means we are in minus $30 now. Now we took our fourth trade. Remember, our risk to reward is 1:3, and we won it. Remember, we reached $10, and our account currently is on plus $30, which means we are back to break even. We are back to normal balance we started. We are back to $200. Now, we still have 6 more trades. Remember, it's 10 trades that we are taking. And on these 10 trades, we lost 7 and we won only 3. The 5th one we took, we won. So we're in plus $30. So now our account has increased to $230. The 6th trade we took, we lost. So we are in minus $10, which means our account is currently on $220. $220. Yes. We now took the 7th trade, we lost. minus 10. So means account is on $210. We took the 8th trade, we lost. Which means our account is 200 and just $200. We are back to our capital, $200. You see what is happening? We have only won only 2 trades and we have taken 8 trades. Now, our account is on $200. We are back to our capital. Remaining 2 more trades. On the 9th trade, we lost. We lost. So our account is currently $190. So we're minus now. We lost minus $190. Now, on the 10th trade, we won, making it our 3 wins. So our account is plus $30. So if you add 190 on 30, 9 plus 3 is $220. So you discover that after all the losses, and this is a strategy that gives you just out of, you can see that this 30 to 70, that means in trading, even if a strategy is giving you 30% win and 70% loss, you can be in big profit. Yes, I'll be sleeping over this thing and thinking about it. Let alone a strategy that gives you 60% win and 40% loss. You see, now, if you're doing your risk management and taking it serious, after the end of the day or after 10 trades, you will still be in profit. You can see that after everything, we lost 7 trades, but we won only 3, and we are still in $20 profit, which is still big something. So, taking your risk management serious and letting markets play out is one thing you guys have to learn. Like I said, it's not all about technical analysis. It's all about your psychology. First of all, I want to let you know, if you're someone that feels that, oh, I don't want to lose money, trading is not for you. It's not for you. After watching this particular video, you can share this video with anybody. I'm Cassie, and I'm a newbie in trading. But you see, this information I'm sharing with you today is the information that is going to keep you and make you lots of money in trading. I see a lot of people jumping from strategy to another, from one strategy to another, as if there is a strategy that works 100% of the time. You see, when we take trades, are we scared? Yes, we are scared. But then again, we don't let our fear overcome us. Whenever you take a trade and you're always going to your MT5 to check, you're always shaking, you're always uncomfortable, that means 2 things has happened. One is you have over-risked more than what you're supposed to do. 2, you have taken irregular setup or irregular trades apart from what you're being taught. These 2 things. You see, good setup doesn't form every day. I'm not here to start teaching you strategies up and down. I'm just here to let you know that you need to change your cycle, how you think about the market. Yeah, you ask somebody, where is the market heading to? Where is the doing that? He says the market is selling, and you're seeing buying. And because you ask the person, now you're afraid to take your own setup. And after the end of the day, the market buys. You should stop that. You should stop that. One thing you need to know about trading is that good setup doesn't form every day. Good setup doesn't form every day. My mentor will be like, oh, Cassie, do you know I've stayed over 1 week and I've been waiting for the right setup. I've not seen. And you see me, someone like Cassie, taking trades every day, 2 to 3 trades every day. And yes, I'll be making money, but then again, I'll still be losing it back to the market. So you need to understand that not trading also is also a way to preserve your money. Not trading is also a way to preserve your money. So whenever you want to enter a trade, first thing you need to ask yourself is, why am I entering this trade? Does this trade actually shows my full strategy? Am I confident enough? If you've asked yourself this question and you'll see that, oh, all these things goes in the green side, you now want to ask yourself, how much am I risking in this trade? I advise people to go risk, especially newbie, just 5%. You can go as low as risking 3%, but don't risk more than 5%. Personally, my main issue with trading is greed. I won't lie to you. I, Cassie, is greed. And it's when it comes to this risk management. But that is what I want to work on. So you don't want in a trade you risk $100 today, tomorrow you're risking $200, next tomorrow you're risking $300. Stick to one risk percentage till you've grown your account. Let's say you've grown your account from $1,000 to, let's say, $2,000. You now check, oh, the 5% of $2,000 is how much? You now start risking 5% of $2,000 or 5% of $1,500. As simple. As simple. So if you take your risk management serious, you will always be in profit, no matter your strategy. You can see that a strategy as low as 30% win, 30% win, and 70% loss still gave us more profit. A strategy with 30% win and 70% loss still gave us profit. So when you take a trade, always be confident of your trade. If the trade is hitting TP, let it hit TP. If it's hitting loss, let it hit loss. So if you're able to work on this, you'll be good and you'll be a profitable trader. Thank you. And if you find this video very, 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 very valuable, you can like and comment. God bless you.